Alright, so this bumper is for 2009 to 2014 F-150s that are not the EcoBoost. I got this bumper from eBay off oewheelsdirect. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Alright, so here's the new bumper I got. And you have to take this, the OEM toe, the toe piece, whatever you call it, take that off. Alright, so to install the bumper, it doesn't fit correctly, so you need to grind this part where he marked it. Goes here, and then here. That's where it touches, so I'll update it after we cut it. Alright, so that's how it needs to look, like that. Just a 90 degrees angle. Same with the other side. So alright, so that's how it looks. Just do the inner sides. And here's on the same, so we're gonna give it a test, see if it goes on or if it needs more grinding. Cutting it, got it to work, got it to fit, but this part here, the bottom, here, put on wide angle, here, the holes really don't line up that good, and I don't know how you screw this, like how do you even mount this. So what I did is use if your truck comes with tow hooks, what I did was use the freaking bolts that came with it and use that bolt to put it in there. I'll show you on the other side, like this side.
I should be able. Okay, so this side.
So that's the bracket from the tow hook.
All right.
And the other one's right here. That's how I'm mounting it. I don't know about how you guys are gonna do it. Maybe I know I'm doing this wrong, but this works. So, all right. So you get the bolt here. I'm using their bolts that they gave, and then there's one. Where's it? Oh, on this side. So the same thing for the other side. Tighten it up, and then I'm gonna do the wiring. Probably gonna use the fog light wire. And I'll show you how I'm gonna do it when I start. Alright, to wire up the light bar, we're gonna cut the fog light wire and wire it up to that. Let's see if that works. So got it cut off. This is the fog light wire. There's one on the other side, but I'm gonna leave that alone. And I'm just gonna wire it up to that, so I don't have to buy a switch and relay and all that. Yep, so it's wired up and it works.
Show them which wire.
That's how we did it right there. The blue looking wire to the black, and that green wire, I don't know what that color is, to the red. This side, I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe I'll use it in the future to put lights here. But yeah, it works. Can you pull the switch? Push it in.
Why does it look like something?
Pull it. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. I think we're done here. Okay, I forgot to mention one part. From the factory bumper, you don't need to use your stock bracket for the latch. They give you one, and then I use the factory bolts to put them in. So yeah, everything works.